morning and welcome to News with Rachel. I'm Rachel Ulutipoti and I'm here with the latest on what's happening today. Several catastrophes happening around the globe today are slowly and surely impacting us as a whole. Some are even happening right this second as we speak. Now, we've all seen what the ISIS group in the state of Iraq and Syria has done, from killing Christian men, women, and children. Yes, folks, that's what the world has come to. Reporting live from Syria is Butler DeGroof, giving us a peek into the lives of the hundreds of people who have found shelter with missionaries who volunteered to go and take food, water, shelter, and the gospel. Butler?
Thank you, Rachel. Reporting live from Syria, about a week ago, Christians were warned to either leave the city of Mosul and other areas under the Islamic State control, or they would have to pay taxes or be put to death. The Human Rights Watch reported that homes in Mosul were painted in red, so that way they know that they are Christians. Christians were forced to pass through Islamic State checkpoints. Estimates hold that 200,000 Christians live in the region. However, only a fraction of these have been accounted for. Where are all the missing Christians? Are they already being put to the sword? It's very possible. But here is a group of people that are giving out something that looks like it's food and water to these Christian refugees.
Amen.
Hello, what is your name? And tell me about your mission.
Hi, my name is Abby, and our mission here today is to provide food and water to these refugees here in this camp.
So, at the end of all this, what is your goal?
Our goal here is to fulfill God's purpose in our lives. Whatever God has called us for, even if it's lending a helping hand, praying for someone, or teaching the gospel of Jesus Christ.
Hold on. Wait, right? 10 minutes? Okay. Wait a second. Oh, wait, somebody's running. Hi ma'am, how are you?
I'm good.
Where are you going?
I'm running for my life.
Aren't you a Christian?
No, I gotta save my kids. I'm sorry.
Oh, that's okay. All right. Wow, this is just amazing. This is crazy. Hold on a second. We just got word that ISIS is about 10 minutes away. What are you and your groups are going to do? And you do know that you do have the ability or possibility that you can leave with the military. Are you going to take this option?
No, we're not going to take the option. We're going to stay here and continue to do God's will.
Amen.
Time for us. Like I said before, we're here to do God's will, and we're here to do anything that's possible to help these refugees here.
So before I have to leave for cover, is there anything else that you want to say?
Yes, for anyone out there listening, what we're trying to preach out here is to preach the word of God and find God and find refuge in God. So if it takes me dying, I will continue to say yes, Lord, to His will.
Well, there you have it, folks. Don't take your freedom for granted.
Amen.
Make a choice while you have the chance. Now, a word from our sponsors.